Welcome to Color Mixing with Mrs. Jones. Today I will be speaking about the following state standards for Arizona third graders and how they apply to color mixing. The first one is Science Standard, Strand 1, which is the inquiry process, Concept 2, which is scientific testing, and Performance Objectives 3 and 5, 3 being conducting simple investigations, and 5 recording the data in an organized format. Next, we'll also be talking about the standards for beginning visual arts for third grade. Strand 1 is to create. Concept 1, creative process. Performance objective, contribute to a discussion about ideas for his or her work. In the article, Digital Storytelling in the Language Arts Classroom by Bull and Kajir, they say the presence of these tools, meaning digital cameras, is already affecting and altering society. They allow students to capture visual images from their lives to their personal stories. The goal of digital storytelling is to allow a writer to experience the power of personal expression. I know that this article states that it's for the language arts classroom, but I believe that these statements hold true for the art classroom as well. Roblier and Doreen state active participation was best achieved by providing discovery learning environments that would let children explore alternatives and recognize relationships between ideas. Hi, and welcome to Mrs. Jones' color mixing activity. Today I have my friend Marco with me.
Hi.
So Marco, I know that since you're in the third grade, you already have some experience with color mixing, don't you?
Yes.
Well, today we're going to use this KWL chart. And what KWL is the K stands for what we already know. The W is what we want to know. And the L is what have we learned after we've done our experiment. All right? So to get started, I want to know, Marco, tell me, what are 2 things you already know about color mixing?
There are 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow.
What's another thing that you know?
If you mix 2 colors, you will get a different color.
All right, the W part of our chart is what do you want to know from our experiment of color mixing?
How do we make the color purple?
What's another question or something else you'd like to know?
What color will we get if I mix all 3 colors?
Oh, what color will we get if we mix all 3, red, blue, and yellow, together?
Yes.
These are excellent questions. Our L part of the chart is what have we learned? Well, have we done our experiment yet?
No.
No. I think we'll leave this part blank until we finish. What do you think?
Yes.
All right, you ready to do some color mixing?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. As we know with discovery learning, students were more likely to understand and remember concepts they discovered in the course of their own exploration. Dr. Arnold gave 2 definitions with similar ideas about technology education as a study of human ability to create and use the tools to shape the natural environment to meet their needs and learning the skills necessary to use these technology tools. All right, Marco. So now we're here. We're going to get ready. We have our materials here. We have paint. We have, what color?
Blue.
Blue. And what's our last color that we need?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good.
Or our 3 primary colors.
Good. There are 3 primary colors. All right, Marco. We have our color mixing chart here. And on our chart, we have the word
red, blue, and yellow.
Awesome. On the bottom, we have 2 colors for each section. Tell me what these 2 colors are.
Red and blue. Blue and yellow. Yellow and red.
Awesome. So you know that we're going to be mixing down here. Why don't you go ahead and get those fingers dirty and let's get some of those colors up there.
So do red.
Uh-huh. Perfect. All right. What color are we going to do next?
Blue.
Okay. Nice. All right. And what's our last one?
Yellow.
Good job. Kind of tricky, isn't it? Because you have paint on your other 2 fingers. All right. So Marco has showed us that we have our 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. What he's going to do now for us is he's going to go ahead and mix the colors.
Red and blue.
Red and blue. All right. Have at it.
Red.
And let's try to make some nice big swirls in there so that we can really see if those colors mix and what they make together. By mixing that red and blue together, what color are you getting?
Purple.
Nice. Which one do you want to do next?
Blue and yellow. Blue and yellow.
You know what? That looks perfect. What color did you get when you mixed blue and yellow?
Green.
Green.
Yellow and red.
Alright, let's get those two mixed together.
Mhm.
Now what color do you have since you mixed yellow and red together?
Orange.
What do you like the most about mixing these colors together?
I get to mix two colors at the same time.
And what happens?
It turns into one color.
It turns into one color. I really like the way you mixed. You took our three primary colors, which were red, blue, and yellow, and you mixed them. Red and blue gave you
Purple,
blue and yellow gave you
green,
yellow and red gave you.
orange.
Awesome work, buddy. Give me 5. In the article, Multidisciplinary Learning with Video, Bull and Bell state that in the science classroom, digital video, especially when enhanced by special effects such as time-lapse, slow motion, and extreme close-up photography, or when paired with data collected via probeware, provide a wide range of opportunities for engaging in science inquiry.
Oh, there are 3 primary colors. Only 3 are primary, it's true. But if you mix the primaries together, brand new colors come right into view. Red and yellow make orange. Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. Yellow and blue make green. Blue and red make purple. Blue and red make purple. And that's a lot of colors.
All right, Marco, what did you think about that color mixing experiment?
Awesome.
It was pretty awesome, wasn't it? Okay, so we're back and we have our 2 charts together. We have our chart where you mixed your colors, and we have our KWL chart back up because we were missing the portion where it talks about what you learned from this experiment. So tell me, what did you learn from this experiment?
I could mix the 3 primary colors and I got purple, green, and orange.
You mixed the 3 primary colors and you got purple, green, and orange. Did you mix all 3 together at the same time?
No,
No. So tell me, how did we get purple?
by mixing red and blue,
And how did we get green?
blue and yellow,
And how did we get orange?
yellow and red.
Awesome, very cool. Let's go back to what you wanted to know on our chart. Your first thing was, how did we get the color purple? Tell me, how did you get that color purple?
We mixed 2 colors and make the one color purple. We used red and blue.
Awesome. You had another question on here, and your question was, what color will we get if we mix the 3 primary colors together? Very cool, Marco. What color did you get?
I got black.
You got the color black. That looks black to me. Awesome. Did you have fun, Marco?
Yes,
I really enjoyed all your help today. Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
In the article, Podcasting in the Classroom, Flanagan and Calandra described at Duke University that its first-year iPod experience fell into 5 categories for academic use. 1 being course content dissemination, 2 classroom recording, 3 field recording, 4 study support, and 5 file storage and transfer. Podcasting is a great way to get the creative process working in children. When it comes to their art projects, they are able to listen to stories, poems, and songs that promote the use of colors and using colors in art. In Module 5, Dr. Arnold stated methods of teaching technology use, which are say and do, where the teacher leads students to do computer activities verbally while modeling the activity on a multimedia projector. Then there is say then do. The teacher has all the students' eyes front and demos a skill or activity. Afterwards, the students work independently while the teacher circulates to offer assistance. And the third one is project-based, meaning that the teacher gives a project assignment with self-directed tutorials that students are to develop.